dear children of Standard 3. Today we are going to start with a comprehension which is there in your textbook on page number 87. It's a story about Robin Hood. So let us read the story. Robin Hood was a robber. You know what is a robber? Yes, who steal things. So Robin Hood was a robber. He would rob rich people and give their money to the poor people. So he was a robber, but what does he do? You know, he robbed the rich people, and whatever money he robbed, he used to give this money to the poor people. He helped the poor people by giving them money. He lived in a forest called Sherwood Forest. So this Robin Hood, he lived in a forest, and the name of the forest was Sherwood Forest, with his best friends. Okay, so he used to live with the friends. They were all hiding from the law. And this all people means Robin Hood as well as his friends. They all used to hide from the law. Yes, from the king. They were called Robin Hood and his merry men. And this all people were known as Robin Hood and his merry men. Robin wanted to marry a beautiful girl named Marian. So this Robin Hood, he wanted to marry a beautiful girl, and the name of the girl was Marian. Marian had heard about Robin Hood, and even Marian had heard about Robin Hood. Everyone knows who was Robin Hood. Okay, so even Marian knows who is a Robin Hood. She decided to go and look for him. But Marian has never seen Robin Hood. So what does she decide? She decided to go in the forest and search for Robin Hood. She dressed up as a boy and put her long golden hair inside a cap. So you know that Marian, what she did, you know, she dressed up as a boy. Okay, he wore the clothes of a boy, and she has a long hair, golden hair. So what does she did, you know, she put that hair inside a cap. Off she went to Sherwood Forest, and then she went inside the Sherwood Forest. Suddenly a man stopped her, and when she was going inside, a man stopped her. "Who are you, boy? And what are you doing in my forest?" the man asked. So when she went inside, the boy stopped her, and the boy asked him, "Who are you, boy? And why you have come in my forest?" "This is not your forest. This is the king's forest. I will fight you if you stop me," Marian said, pulling out her sword. So when the boy asked him that told him that this is my forest, then Marian suddenly said, immediately she said, "This is not your forest. This is the king's forest, and I will fight with you if you will stop me going inside the forest." And Marian removed her sword. Sword means talwar. You know what is talwar? Yes, so that is sword. She and the man had a fight, and then the fight begins. That boy and Marian, they both started fighting. During the fight, her cap fell off and her long hair came out of the cap. So while the Marian was fighting with the boy, what happened, you know, the cap which she was wearing to hide her long hairs, it fell down, and all her long hairs came out of the cap. Robin recognized her at once, and that boy who stopped her, he was Robin Hood. So he recognized Marian at once only because he has seen Marian. He asked her to marry him, and then he asked Marian that, "Will you marry me?" When Marian realized that the man was Robin Hood, she agreed immediately. Then Marian realized that this boy is Robin Hood. Then Marian also immediately said yes. They were married and lived together happily in Sherwood Forest for many years. So after that they got married and they both lived in Sherwood Forest for long years very happily. Okay. So understood the passage? Understood the story? I hope so. Now with the help of this story, we have to filling the blanks with correct words. We have to complete these exercises. Okay. So let us start with first one. Robin Hood would rob dash people and give their money to dash people. Here is the answer, children. He would rob the rich people and give their money to the poor people. So first blank we will write rich. Here you have to write rich. And second blank we will write poor. Okay. Now let us turn the page. Look over here, children. He lived in a forest called, what is the name of the forest? Yes, Sherwood. Sherwood. Sherwood Forest. Okay. Let us see the third sentence. Robin wanted to marry, yes, Marian. Next sentence. Marian had dash hair. Marian had long and golden hair. So we will write long golden hair. Okay. Now exercise number 2 is answer the following questions. So first question is, why were Robin Hood and his friend hide from the law? Why they were hiding from the law, children? So the answer will be Robin Hood and his friends were hiding from the law because they were robbers. So we will write the answer over here first of all. Here see, children, space is less, so what we will do, will make this line big over here like this. Okay, now I am writing over here. Robin Hood and his friends were hiding from the law because they were robbers. Okay. See the next question. What did Marian decide to do? So what did Marian decide to do, children? We will write here. Marian decided to go and look for Robin Hood. Yes. See the next question. Who stopped her when she was in the forest? Who stopped her, children? A man. Yes. A man stopped her when she was in the forest. Last question. What did Marian do when she was stopped? So we will write here, when she was stopped, Marian pulled out her sword. Okay. See, like this you have to do this. So we have completed exercise 1 and exercise 2 of this comprehension. Only these 2 exercises you have to do. Okay. And you have to write this in your notebook, both the exercise. that is filling the blanks and answer the following. Both has to be written in the grammar notebook. Okay, thank you.